The quiet money system the wealthy use to stay stress-free.
Welcome to Big Leaders Finance Academy. Please subscribe.
The quiet money system the wealthy use to stay stress-free. Most people think rich people are stress-free because they earn a lot of money. That's not true. Plenty of high earners are still anxious, broke at the end of the month, and one emergency away from panic. The real reason wealthy people stay calm about money has nothing to do with luck, secret investments, or fancy jobs. It's a quiet system they use every single day, and almost nobody talks about it. This system doesn't make noise. It doesn't show off on social media. You won't see screenshots or luxury photos. But it works so well that when unexpected bills show up, wealthy people don't flinch. When income drops, they don't panic. When life gets messy, they stay in control. Most people live in reaction mode. Money comes in, money goes out, and anything unexpected becomes a crisis. The wealthy live in preparation mode. They assume life will happen. They expect problems. And they build systems ahead of time so stress never gets a chance to take over. The first part of the system is something called income buffers. An income buffer is money that protects you when your income slows down or stops. It's not savings for fun things. It's not emergency money for disasters. It's money that replaces your income when life interrupts it. Wealthy people don't depend on one paycheck. Even if they have a job, they don't trust it completely. They assume layoffs can happen, businesses can slow down, clients can disappear. So they create a buffer that can cover their basic living expenses for months. This is why losing a job doesn't destroy them emotionally. They already planned for it. While most people panic the moment income stops, wealthy people calmly switch to their buffer and take time to make smart decisions instead of desperate ones. A graphic designer once worked with big brands and earned good money, but income was inconsistent. Instead of upgrading lifestyle every time a big payment came in, he saved enough to cover 6 months of rent, food, and bills. One year, 3 major clients disappeared at the same time. While others in his circle were borrowing money and stressing out, he calmly took 2 months to find better clients. No panic. No debt. No fear. That calm didn't come from confidence. It came from preparation. The second part of the system is sinking funds. This is where most people mess up. They act surprised by expenses that happen every single year. Birthdays, car repairs, medical bills, school fees, travel, repairs, holidays. These are not emergencies. They are predictable expenses pretending to be emergencies. Wealthy people don't ask, "Why did this happen to me?" They ask, "How much will this cost and when?" Then they divide that amount into small monthly pieces and save for it ahead of time. Instead of paying a $1,200 expense all at once and panicking, they save $100 a month for a year. When the bill arrives, it feels boring. And boring money decisions are the best kind. A young couple once noticed they were always stressed every December. Gifts, travel, and end-of-year expenses always ruined their finances. Instead of blaming the season, they created a sinking fund for holidays. They saved a little every month. By the next year, December felt calm. No debt. No arguments. No pressure. Same income. Different system. The third part of the quiet system is separating money by purpose. Most people keep all their money in one account. This creates confusion and anxiety. When everything is mixed together, your brain can't tell what money is saved to spend and what money is already spoken for. Wealthy people give their money jobs. Rent money stays rent money. Savings stays savings. Buffer stays buffer. Fun money stays fun money. This clarity removes guilt and fear from spending because every dollar already has permission. This is why wealthy people don't feel bad buying things they enjoy. They plan for it. And they don't touch money meant for protection because it has a clear role. A college student working part-time struggled with money stress even though expenses were low. Everything was in one account. Rent money, food money, and savings were always fighting each other. Once they separated money into categories, stress dropped instantly. Nothing magical happened. The confusion just disappeared. The fourth part is living below emotional pressure, not just below income. Many people technically live within their means but emotionally live above them. They feel pressure to impress friends, keep up appearances, or look successful online. This pressure forces bad decisions. Wealthy people don't let emotions control spending. They delay upgrades. They ignore trends. They care more about long-term calm than short-term validation. This is why some people earning $3,000 a month are calmer than people earning $10,000 a month. One builds systems. The other builds lifestyle. A tech worker doubled their income in 2 years but didn't double their expenses. Instead, they increased buffers and sinking funds. When the company later downsized, co-workers were panicking. They were relaxed, already planning their next move. The fifth part is planning for boredom, not excitement. Most financial advice focuses on excitement. Investing. Side hustles. Big wins. Wealthy people focus on boredom. Can this system work even when I'm tired, distracted, or unmotivated? They automate savings. They automate bill payments. They reduce decisions. The less they have to think about money daily, the calmer they feel. Stress comes from constant decision-making. Calm comes from systems that run without effort. The sixth part is understanding that peace is more valuable than progress. Many people chase fast money and flashy results, but wealthy people chase stability first. They would rather grow slower and sleep better than grow fast and stay anxious. This is why they don't gamble with money meant for protection. Buffers are not for investing. Sinking funds are not for risk. Protection money stays boring. Once peace is secured, growth becomes easier. The seventh part is accepting that emergencies are normal. Most people see emergencies as personal failures. Wealthy people see them as scheduled interruptions. They don't attach shame to needing money. They prepared for it. This mindset shift alone removes a huge amount of stress. A small business owner once faced a sudden equipment failure that cost thousands. Instead of panic, they paid from a sinking fund created specifically for repairs. The business continued smoothly. No loans. No drama. Just execution. The final part of the quiet money system is patience. This system doesn't make you rich overnight. It makes you calm quickly and wealthy slowly. Most people never adopt it because it doesn't feel exciting. But excitement fades. Calm lasts. Money stress doesn't disappear when income increases. It disappears when systems replace chaos. If you stripped away social media, comparisons, and pressure, this is how wealthy people actually manage money behind the scenes. Quietly. Boringly. Effectively. They don't wait for life to behave. They prepare for life as it is. Take a moment and imagine what would change if unexpected expenses stopped feeling like emergencies, if income changes didn't scare you, and if money stopped controlling your emotions. Now ask yourself honestly, if staying stressed is the price of avoiding this system, is that really a price you're willing to keep paying?
For more quality financial education, subscribe and follow our channel. Like, share, and comment.